G'day folks, if you're one of the 3 people that will be watching this video, welcome. Just doing a quick video on simulation of a part that I've just put a video up on YouTube, and there'll be a link in the description to the other video. This is a 7/16 hex brass part. Just removed the material there where we're going to cut the thread. That's the thread being cut. Then we'll go back and finish the shape with the turning tool. Rough a bit of material away. That's basically taking the corners off the hex so that the parting tool that finishes off doesn't have such a tough time. We've just used a spotting drill. Now we're going all the way through with the 4mm deep hole jobber drill. Now we go in with the parting tool, which is using a profiling type insert, and job's finished. And that's what the simulation's like on my setup. And that's just the end of the program. That's what the finished part looks like. Thank you for watching.